What advice did you follow that everyone thought was stupid? My uncle told me, buy old muscle cars and fix them up for cheap. There's only so many left and you'll get more car for your money than any new ride. When I was 22, I just landed my first decent job at a tech startup and got approved for a loan on a brand new luxury sedan. Everyone my age was driving German cars, showing off their success with monthly payments they could barely afford. But Uncle pulled me aside at a family barbecue. Uncle wasn't the type to talk much, but he always had some cool old car project going, so I figured he knew what he was talking about. I followed him over to his garage and watched him point at a beat-up muscle car covered in a tarp. He explained, "That pile of rust